What is going on, you guys? ¿Qué tal, mi gente? Welcome to another vlog of the channel. Right now, we're currently at the port of San Felipe, which is roughly small to medium village. Over there, you can see it's a little port where the Gulf of Mexico is here because we're at the end of Yucatan. There's gonna be a lot of boats over here, seafood, tourism. So far, the people have been pretty good when it comes to just being humble, you know, just respectful over here. Now we're going to be going roughly 10 or 15 minutes over there on the boat, and we're going to be seeing a lot of, I believe it's going to be birds, flamingos, and a lot of other stuff over there. Right now I'm going to show y'all shots when it comes to the drone, so let's get to it. All right. Alright guys, right now we're going to be going to the boats right there. We're going on one of those right there. I really want to record with the drone over on the ocean and let's see how it looks. There goes my mom. I don't know if you can see them, but yeah. I see you guys there. So, make sure the mic's recording. Alright, catch you guys on the boat. Alright guys, I'm so sorry, but when it came to the audio, I did not have the filter microphone cancellation fluff for the DJI mic. You guys are going to hear so much wind coming by on the boat. Even when it comes to later on during the video, we were going pretty fast on the boat, so either way, you guys weren't going to hear anything, but I'll try to summarize what Don Rafa, who was our tour guide, which by the way, he did a very fantastic job, very good person, humbled. Shout out to Don Rafa because he gave us some pretty good information. He was an overall good person, so whenever y'all want to come to San Felipe, we'll all recommend having him as a tour guide. Without further to it, I'll summarize what he was trying to say. When it comes to the pink flamingo, they are born on this island, and when they are young, they are born black color. So over time, they begin to feed on pink brine shrimp, which then leads to the pink skin that they have later on when they get older. Now, the next animal that he was talking about is called the black sea duck, who is also born on this island and dives to the bottom of the sea to hunt fish and take them back to its chicks. Now, one of the last birds that Don Rafa explained to us and really surprised us was a bird called the Canadian gannet. The bird that arrives on this island during the autumn season, and it migrates, given from the name, from Canada. The only reason why it migrates only in this season is because Canada, back in its home country, cannot withstand high temperatures. And so after this video uploads, most likely after December or even midway through January, is going to go back over there. I was wearing jeans right now. You can see over here, jeans over here, she's right here, no shorts. So take a quick little tour over here and beautiful water. Gonna take a few little pictures and see how it goes. Alright, man, this feels nice. It's been quite a while since I even went to the beach. Not really much of a big fan myself, but just refreshing now that I can cool off since it's pretty hot. Here it is. This is the boat over here. It's hot.
Bruh.
¿Me puedes decir por qué se llama Punta Sol?
Se llama Punta Sol porque cuando es la temporada o la estación del año, la primavera, el sol por las tardes se oculta justamente donde se hizo el mar. Es el lugar ideal para ver la puesta del sol. Por eso le dicen, como es el final de una isla, es una punta. Entonces, Punta Sol. Y desde aquí puedes tener la perspectiva de mirar el Golfo de México, o mirar la ría y toda la población de San Felipe.
Now, as we were beginning to leave from the first island and arrive at the second one, you can see that on the second one there's a lot more birds than on the first one, and the history gets a little bit more interesting. This island specifically served as a high port dock during the pre-Hispanic era for the famous commercial barter. And this type of business was created by Chichen Itza, which is the Yucatecan capital, and it ships from other countries such as Costa Rica, Nicaragua, y El Salvador. And later on, these countries were offering their products. Later on, the Cerrito had a viewpoint that was protected by the Quetzals, a Mayan race, who monitored when a foreign ship approached, as in now Puerto Progreso de Yucatan. Later on, when it came to Merida, they offered its main products, which were corn, salt, honey, wood bark, and milky weed. Archaeologists have come to investigate, and a type of cemetery was discovered buried under this hill with Mayan riches from that time, which the exploration has been avoided to preserve all these races of marine species that invaded this island. Birds such as storks, pelicans, herons, sandpipers or sea ducks, and Canadian gannets, and many other birds that migrate at this time in this little island in this pre-Hispanic era offered their pharaoh high-value offerings of that time, such as the best fish.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
Guys, we're over here. Currently stopped over there, over to the edge. The ropes, some drone shots. Over here. It's a cool little place. Nice little area over here. We went to two spots. Now it's just being stopped over here. What this whole thing is, like a port where they just transport you through boat and having just really other remarkable nice views over here. After this, I would like to go to Las Coloradas. Very big salt beach that has the color of pink. And so with the drone, I really want to take shots over there. So, but yeah, other than that, it's been pretty worth it so far. This might be a little short vlog, but anyway. Alright guys, it's currently around 3:14 p.m. and the water has actually risen so much since before. You know, that's cool. You can still walk around here. It's a pretty fun place over here. All the way down to the end of the shore, pretty much. Calm views, calm people over here. Had to change my shirt real quick because I got all pretty dirty, but you know, it's all good. See, I don't have my sombrero no more. It's not as hot. Recommend coming through here. You know, when you're visiting for the first time, like I said before, it's going to be like a port where you're not going to immediately see beach, and that's when they take you to several different islands. And later on, you know, I'm going to come back here and see what else it has to offer. But yeah, overall, it's been pretty nice. Since I recorded that video of Sigan, if y'all wanna, you know, come over here, it's only an hour away. It's really close by. Alright guys, that's about it. Here was to San Felipe Port. Very fun place, highly recommend you guys come here for the first time. People were amazing, the workers, the residents. See you guys in a little bit. I'll let you guys know. So I guess we out. Not in flavor, you already know. Cool.